Yes, go ahead.
I heard you say that the heavenly court does not punish the death penalty until the age of 20.
Yes.
So I'm just wondering that in Egypt were all the firstborns under the age of 20 at the time, or maybe did it not apply?
I didn't get the question. So
Okay.
we're talking about heavenly judgment, and you connect to Egypt. So what is the connection, please?
Oh, because when there was like the plague of the firstborns, and everyone was
Firstborn,
being
yeah.
killed. was wondering.
Non-Jews.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So all of the Jews will survive actually, and that's why it's proper if you firstborn male, and your mother did not have chas v'shalom abortions or miscarriages, right? So you have to fast on Erev Pesach. That's our holy custom. Understand? In a commemoration of what? That HaShem killed all of the other people and let us live. That's holy custom. Yes.